ground fault circuit interrupter outlet protects against electrical shock by detecting imbalances between incoming and outgoing current. They trip when a fault occurs, such as when electricity leaks from the equipment into the ground. Stripping the ground fault circuit interrupter repeatedly for non-fault reasons can shorten its lifespan or desensitize it, reducing its ability to detect actual electrical faults. This can create a safety hazard, especially in outdoor environments with moisture and potential electrical hazards. Ground fault circuit interrupter outlets should be tested monthly to ensure they are functioning correctly. This involves pressing the test button to trip the outlet and then the reset button to restore power. By tripping the ground fault circuit interrupter manually, you can verify its ability to detect faults and prevent electrical shocks. Instead of tripping the ground fault circuit interrupter to turn off the pumps, it is safer and more reliable to install a dedicated switch for the pumps. This switch should be located in an easily accessible area near the ground fault circuit interrupter outlet. By using a switch, you can conveniently turn off the pumps when needed without compromising the functionality of the ground fault circuit interrupter. Ensure that the electrical connections between the outlet, switch, and pumps are watertight and meet code requirements. Inspect the wiring and equipment regularly for any signs of damage or deterioration. Use a qualified electrician if you are not comfortable performing the electrical work yourself.